Good morning, everyone. Matvey is here again for another Bitcoin daily prep. This time it's for 26th of September. Currently it's Friday morning. We are at Asia session, and as usual, the drill, we will analyze Bitcoin through key levels, VWAP, and order flow to look for trade opportunities for today and onwards. Without further ado, let's check impactful news. Yep, today on Friday, 7:30 p.m. Time option, let's see. Yep, Jakarta time, GMT 7. We have core PCE index monthly. So let's put that note. Okay. Slight changes in the daily prep structure. Let's do a top-down analysis. So, yep, we're gonna start with yearly, as it is at the highest time frame, which is 1 day and above, and then we're gonna move to quarterly, monthly, and then weekly, and then daily. Okay, this is the experimenting, so let's see. Now check on VWAP first. Okay, on VWAP, yep, big ass candle here in the daily, bearish candle. Yep, on the daily, I think not really good, because we are now back inside the developing year value area high. Our line in the sand should be this area here, so we are actually at the region already, so maybe consolidating here first, but we should break out above, not break down lower. I think that will be it for the daily. Here we have fair value gap as well. Hold up. Okay, yep. Moving on. I think we have fair value gap here as well. So if we can flip like this, maybe it's a good long. But yep, any movement above in the low time frame should be kept by the fair value gap, unless we can flip it, then only bull or buyers still strong. Until then, we will be wary first for consolidation that may happen here, as it can go both ways. Okay, that's for yearly. Let's put it on note. Vision 3, and now back side developing here. High. We are now in high time frame support. The imbalance move yesterday That's the high thing. Very good. Safe long would be successful with FPG and okay, now on quarterly. Okay, quarterly. I think we break down already. We broke down from the developing quarterly value area. Now approaching the previous quarter value area high, which I think is confluence with I think we have order block here as well. Let's see. Let's mark it down maybe. So basically very close with the low of this range here. So we can put it on note. Now on monthly, be cautious of now on monthly. Okay, we are now in the 2 months value area high. Fair value gap as well in the 4 hour here with high value bar. So this point here will be a sticky point for price. If we can flip it, then I think it's a better long. We can move towards the 2 months value area high. As of now, price is still just consolidating in the value area low, value area high for 2 months composite. Let's see. A breakdown as well from the developing month. I think that's all for the monthly. I've opened my VWAP. 110.94. Okay. So overall, sentiment via high time frame VWAP is actually bearish, as we broke down from the developing quarter, developing quarter value area, broke down as well from developing quarter, developing month value area, and now back inside the developing year value area. Now let's check the weekly. Okay, maybe let's do weekly VWAP first. Okay, on the weekly VWAP, yeah, price strong bear. Here you can see downtrend move. Fair value gap here at, you see, 1110. We have high volume bar with QC below in the 30 minutes. I think in the 30 minutes here, with volume at oversold area, so I think it could be a local bottom. Price now are reacting well to it, but if again 1110 gonna be a sticky point. In terms of VWAP, I think not much relevancy right now, as we broke down below it in almost all 4 time frames. Here we can see order block confluence with the developing week value area low for the intense move downwards, so you can mark that down as resistance area, or basically in target for taking profits. Okay, on the daily, let's see. Okay, because we are now back into this chart, I think we can do the market profile first. Okay, for the weekly market profile, close the view. It now is in the 2-week value area low. I'm afraid this will be our sticky point, because there's, as mentioned, there's bearish, bearish high volume bar with one fluctuating in the middle, cleavage with the fair value gap. Currently also has not shown any acceptance yet back into the 2 months value area low, 2 weeks value area low. So wait and see for a second. Wait and see for another genuine acceptance and a retest. Maybe clean first, retest, then go for towards the 2 weeks value high. Something like this, you see. Okay, let's put in the weekly first. Yep, okay, I think that will be it for weekly. For low here, still intact. This one is from 25th of August, like almost last month. So it's 107,273. Just put that up. Let's put it up 103K. It's not plate here, so it's still nickel. Yep. Overall, we should look for longs because we are at the bottom area now. But yep, I think safe long will be like this scenario. Sweep this first and the sequence, or this retest on the volume point control. Now also the single points area. Okay, let's move to the daily now. Okay, I think on the daily, previously we worked with I think 3 days. Now we break down with strength here. As by just went through the 8-day composite value from last month, or from early of this month. Now I think we can remove these. Because if we're looking at 3-day here, this is a good retest for a move short. POC in the middle here, naked from yesterday. Imbalance move downwards, and this will be the area. I think the naked value area low here is confluence with the fair value gap, so it will be the key as well here. It's actually will be a good long, to be honest, for scouting. When is this? 16. Oh, this is when I was longing yesterday and reach here, but I did not take a profit then. I actually longed here. Limit here to here, almost 2 hours, did not take profit. Aggressive sellers came in. My trade went back to break even. This fucking sucks, man. But yep. Trade is trade, at least I did not lose money. Okay, let's take note on that one. On the daily, today imbalance. It's not normal. Broke below 3-day. Previous day, yep, I think that will be it. We can jot down for the 108.576. Okay. I think the naked value area low here will be a sticky point because this is a Fiji area. So yeah. Sticky. Okay. Distribution day. This here is also there's an auction here. Let's see. And then another auction here. So yeah. the value area high of this low, this value area here is close with the value area low from the previous value area. Okay, I'm not support for the proper definition, but I hope you get the idea. So this is not trending, this is double distribution. One o 10 and 108.5. Okay, VWAP daily, let's see. Until the 25th, okay, you see here, okay, I long here. Confluence with the 3-day composite VWAPs, value area high, standard deviation 2, and I did not take profit here. I expected to, get back up here, take profit, then I'll flip a short, but prices, they did not reward those kind of perspective. Just straight milk, man, just straight milk. Speaking of which, when it break down here, retest towards the previous, the standard deviation, retest with the value area low, standard deviation 2. It's actually a good short, but I did not see this because price action wise, this is gonna make a new high as well. So just straight note that. What time is this? 12 p.m. Okay, or 11 p.m. I was actually learning about tape during this time, so I did not open the chart, but yep. It's better to see it when it has happened. Maybe when I see it, I did not take the trade. As well. So it's all right. Now we are ranging here. Let's turn on the composite VWAP then. Turn off the merge. Yeah. I don't think we can match it for 4 days. Because obviously the value area no longer overlap. So price even opens below previous day value area. Yeah. 109,678. I think 110 is better. Confluence with this high here. So if you look at the price section, maybe like this is our area. As this is confluence with the value area high from the daily profile and value area low from the higher volume. Nope. So yeah, and this has volume point control as well. It's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be a resistance. Okay, let's put a note. composite value area low. Okay. STPO session profile. Let's see. Single prints. The music's out. Hold up, I cannot see the single prints. Okay, so value area low here. There's naked value area low 10984K. I think it's just a similar area as the daily profile naked value area as well. With 110 here. A lot of sellers here. So if we able to accept inside the New York, previous day New York's value area low, then the sellers will go underwater, and it's a fuel for higher move, higher. But the point of control naked here as well. Single prints here. Able to accept to New York, then maybe we can go for long. After we clean the single prints. Yeah, so I still have VWAP actually. Rolling VWAP. STPO, simply put, good. Previous day. Wow. Still loading. Okay, apologies for the pause. Let's go to the monthly VWAP to show the rolling VWAP here. Turn off everything else. Yeah, very sheer. 30-day, 7-day, 9-day price unable to break above it. Now we are playing way lower from it. How about the EMA? Yeah, same thing. So let's put it on note. Here 30-day is confused. Not sure, but it's quite high up there. So VWAP, it's a dynamic resistance now. We'll check on it time to time, because if price keeps playing in the lower value area here, then of course the rally will continue to creep downward, creeps downward. So yeah. Wow, this one here is actually a genuine retest to the EMA. Wow, that's actually nice. Did not see this. Damn, that should be a massive short trade setup. Okay, rolling VWAP, 7-day, 30-day, 90-day, and for our EMA. Let's turn on the composite. Is it converged anything? Nah, 90-day is converged to the previous month. How about the following month? Okay. 7-day and 30-day. Confluence with developing month VWAP and then the confluence with previous month VWAP. Is it? Yeah, previous month VWAP. Okay, let's turn off the rolling. Turn back on the drawings. Oops, I think you can see here 30 days actually conversion 2 months value are high. Okay, order book depth. Okay, now let's see the order book here. Skew bit. See, the top is marked with reduce in the order book. Bit depth was Q ask, sensitive ask for a while, and yeah, you see here the sensitive ask just bring the price down violently, and now price is back to skew bit, but not really sure how to interpret this. But you will put it on note just as an FYI. For heat map, buy wall here is at 108,200 to 108, yep, 108 region, which confronts with the pull low from the daily time frame, from the daily profile, and the sell wall here is at 110,200 to 1110k to 1110.3k, confronts with the single prince and the negative value area low. So yeah, overall playing range here, I think it should be playing range. Never mind. Yeah, but overall you can put it on the note, sell wall and buy wall. If we zoom in here, sell us here. Yep. Got buys here as well. Yeah, but let's see on the bigger time frame, on the bigger perspective instead. We'll need to learn more about that. Perp, skew bit, sensitive ask during the top marking. Heat map, got sell wall, confluence with negative arrow, PG 1.8.5p, got buy wall, got bit wall, confluence. Is the quarter? It's a bit far though. Let me see. 107k. Yeah, we still got it. Not much. But this one here is more on the here. Oops. Summary. High time frame. Bearish sentiment. As price now below mark. Quarterly, monthly, weekly, below. Price back inside that yearly VWAP as well. PA, we have FEG cost by imbalance last night at 1110 to 1110.40 region in 30 minutes. And 4 hours is FEG aligns with bearish however make a curve on control. Therefore, heat map so we treat this as resistance, look for short. If we flip, then we look for long towards to weak composite to high. Price now at 2 week composite to low. PA we have is the 2 weeks composite value area high. Here, let's see. One 2.4, 2.5K. Let's see. I think we can say it's confused with the previous day very high, I think. Or let me see. This 3D composite here. Okay, so daily narrative for today, look for short at FVG, look for long at Orderflow if given, look for long for a bullish replay of 2 week composite area. Long will be 108.23 or okay. Short is it actually just below there? Let me see. So my idea for today is acceptance. If price turns here again, then I will long, or maybe it turns here again, better long. Short here, where will you get towards this, or if you can reclaim and move up, looks for the move up to the 112 is here, this height, or maybe this area. Actually comes in very often. So claim. If unable to accept, 2 weeks, go for short towards the previous quarterly high. Okay, I think that will be it for today's session. Maybe I'll share the outlook on Twitter with the doodles. But yep, that concludes our preparation for today. Let's see. Where will I be punished for not longing at the bottom here? But yeah, let's see. At least we have planned what to do. Price switch here, short. Price switch here, maybe long. Okay. If maybe price went down here again, I'll go for long again. If still, but yeah, flat for now. Let's see what the market can give to us for today. Thank you for tuning in. Cheers and good luck. Bye bye.